Welcome. In this video, we're talking about Nylon 6,6. This is a very versatile, FDA-compliant and USDA-certified material that's used in industries ranging from food processing to aerospace. This type of nylon was introduced in 1946, almost 80 years ago, and it's still the most widely used nylon in the country. Nylon 6,6 offers a lot of benefits. It has good electrical and insulating properties. It's also very stiff and strong. It has one of the highest melting points of any other unmodified nylon. It's very resistant to alkaline and organic chemicals. It's not abrasive to other materials, and it can work with or without lubrication. Due to Nylon 6,6's strength, toughness, and abrasion resistance, and low friction properties, it can be substituted for many other materials ranging from steel to rubber. Generally, when people choose this material, it's not for a single benefit. Instead, it's because of the well-rounded nature of this type of nylon. Nylon 6,6 was one of the first types of nylon available in rod, sheet, or tube form for industrial use, and at Controlled Fluidics, we can get this material in a range of forms. There is Nylon 6,6 in 30% glass fiber reinforced rods up to 3 inches in diameter. We can also get super tough Nylon ST801 rods that are up to 2 inches in diameter. If you want UV stabilized Nylon 6,6, we can get plates up to 1 inch thick or rods up to 3.5 inches in diameter.